Snow and ice-covered roads are a wintertime possibility throughout the West. Tire sock traction devices are a great alternative to chains and work with low-clearance vehicles. Plus, they're fast and easy to install. First, you'll want to get the right set of tire socks for your vehicle at your local Les Schwab. Your size of tire socks depends on the size of your wheels and tires. Just like chains, it's important to know how to install them before attempting installation in the snow, so practice at home. Install the tire socks on the driving wheels of your vehicle. If your car or truck is front-wheel drive, the socks go on the front. Rear-wheel drive, put them on the back. If you have all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, check your owner's manual. Not sure? The experts at Les Schwab can help. Put your vehicle in park and use the emergency brake for extra safety. Now take everything out of your clean tire sock bag. In it, you'll likely find 2 tire socks, a set of instructions, and a pair of plastic waterproof gloves to keep your hands dry in the snow. Lay the bag on the ground to keep your knees from getting wet. Fit each tire sock from the top of the tire to the bottom. Move your vehicle forward a few feet, put your vehicle in park, and use the emergency brake again. Then, pull the remainder of your tire sock into position. Your tire socks will center themselves once you start driving. While you're driving with tire socks installed, make sure to use your vehicle's traction control. Avoid spinning your tires and keep your vehicle speeds below 30 miles per hour. Removal is just as easy. Pull them off the top of your tire, drive forward a few feet, and then pull them off completely. When used only on snow and ice, tire socks can be reused over and over. Just don't drive on bare or wet pavement with them on. That'll wear them out fast. And don't leave them on while you're parked. Over time, they can freeze in place and make it difficult for you to get moving again. When you're done using your tire socks, give them time to dry before storing. Remember, if your tire socks are unused at the end of winter, you can return them to any Les Schwab for a full refund in the spring. Be ready for anything the weather throws your way. Get a set of tire sock traction devices along with a few tips on how to install them at Les Schwab. Doing the right thing since 1952.